Hey guys, Jake here. We've just drawn our Q3 2020 Tesla Powerwall winner. We're heading nice and close to home this time. We're heading to South Penrith, so we're off to see Alan and Lesley. They've got a beautiful 8.5 kilowatt single phase system installed with us. So we'll see you soon. We'll keep you updated. We're installing tomorrow, so surprise today. Let them know what's happening and then install tomorrow. We don't muck around. So we've just pulled up at Alan and Lesley's place. We're about to go knock and let them know the good news. Check out the nice solar system on the roof, by the way. Alan!
Yes.
Jake from Penrith Solar. How you going, mate?
Good.
What's happening?
Oh, not much.
You're, mate, the winner of our Tesla Powerwall giveaway.
Oh,
Congrats! Yeah. I swear to God, yeah, congratulations. So there you go. All the
include.
new Tesla Powerwall 2. Yeah, fully installed for free. Yeah, so we're gonna put it in tomorrow if you're home.
Yeah, you got it.
Let's have a look.